Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by installing Virtualbox and the matching extension Paxo USB and network pass-through work. Next, download the Linux ISO and verify its checksum to avoid corrupt images. Create a new VM, pick Linux, set the version, assign RAM 14GB depending on needs, and create a VDI virtual disk with dynamically allocated storage. Once done, attach the ISO to the VM's optical drive so you can boot into the installer immediately. You boot the VM and proceed through the Linux installer, choosing partitions, time zone, and creating a user account. This is where you decide disk layout and swap. After first boot, mount the Guest Edition's ISO from the Virtualbox devices menu and run the installer to enable shared clipboard, dynamic display, and folder sharing. Then configure the VM network. Choose NAT for straightforward internet or bridged if you need the VM visible on your LAN. Make sure drivers and updates finish installing. You wrap up by creating shared folders in Virtualbox and mounting them inside Linux with the right permissions so file transfer is seamless. Make final resource tweaks. Increase CPU cores, bump video memory, and enable 3D acceleration when running GUI apps. If something goes wrong, check the VM logs and demask for driver errors. Reinstall Guest Editions if display or clipboard fails, and switch the network mode to isolate whether NAT or bridged caused connectivity issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.